Hi, I'm Carrie from Carrera Slots. We are a hobby store in Buffalo, Minnesota. You can find our products at carreraslots.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this useful. Okay, so in this video what we're going to do is show you how to fix the issue of one controller driving multiple cars on your track. So in this case I have my yellow controller and for some reason it is driving both my cars. They're both responding to this one controller. What happened is I had both cars on the track when I was coding my controller. So what you need to do is take the, I'm going to take my green car off and set it next to my controller number one, and then leave this car on the track, and I'm going to set my blue controller to position number two. It's going to blink twice. Now I'm on channel 2 with this one. I need to code this car now to this controller by clicking the front trigger. Now this car is being controlled by this controller. So if I put both of them back on the track and go back to my yellow controller, that's just going to drive my green one. This one is controlled by this one. So if both cars are being driven by one controller, most likely what happened is they both ended up, or multiple cars ended up on the track when you were trying to code. Or it was coded to that controller previously. So all you need to do is code the car to a different controller. That will fix the problem. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. For products like this and more, visit our website, carreraslots.com. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.